How to log into Shein account. Let's get started. Launch your Shein app. In the case you haven't downloaded Shein app on a device, you can head over to the App Store or Play Store and download it. Once completion of its download process, launch it. You're gonna land to the shop page. Now at the bottom, you're gonna find different options. Navigate to the option of Me. Once you're in the Me page here, you're gonna see the option of Shein In. Click on it. With that, you'll be directed to the login page. Now from here, you can easily get access to your account. All you have to do is provide your account's credentials. So go ahead and type in your mobile number or email address, or also you can continue with Google, Facebook, or Apple ID. In the case you have created your account using these options, you just have to click on it, and with that, you'll be logged into your account. Or else you can type in your mobile number or email address over here, then click on continue. Now go ahead and type in your password. In the case you have forgotten the password, you can click on the option of forgot password to recover it. After you fill this, click on Sign In. If you want to link your phone number with your account, you can type in over here and go through the process, or also you can skip this process. For instance, I'm going to skip this process, and just with that, you'll be logged into your account. So this way you can easily log into your Shein account. This was really simple and quick process. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.